In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list from HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you need this for your team, an important report, or your personal records, exporting a list from HubSpot can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, let's start by accessing HubSpot. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, including your username and password. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the right section. You'll want to head over to the CRM and from there select the lists option. This is where all your contacts are compiled and organized into lists, either static or active. Now find the specific list you want to export. If you're unsure which list you need, take a moment to review your options and hover over the name of the list you're interested in. Once you've identified the correct list, it's time to prepare it for export. Hover over the list name until you see additional options appear, look for the More button and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, please select Export. Don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed at this point. HubSpot is designed to guide you through these steps. After clicking Export, you'll notice a pop-up window appears with various export options. This is where you can personalize your export to suit your needs. You have the choice to select specific properties, which are essentially columns of data, or if you prefer, you can export the entire list with all the available information. Sometimes it's helpful to run through the list and decide which data points are most relevant for your output. Once you're satisfied with your selection of properties, click on Next. This will bring you to the file format options. HubSpot typically allows you to export files as CSV or Excel formats, specifically .csv or .xlsx. Select the format that best fits your usage. For instance, if you're planning to further analyze the data in Excel, the .xlsx format might be preferable. Now you're ready for the final step. Click on the Export button. Your file will begin processing. Depending on your HubSpot settings, you might receive a download link via email, or the file might download directly to your device. Just keep an eye on your notifications for that link, and you'll be all set. And that's it, your list is successfully exported. You can now use your exported data for whatever you need. Remember, becoming familiar with HubSpot's functionalities can significantly streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.